nandito tayo sa south of Calgary ngayon at kadugtong to ng Odyssey Repair natin na vlog. So since nandito na rin tayo, meron ditong community which is ang community ni na Kuya Gilbert, Wolf Willow or Willow Creek. Yan. So since may mga show homes dito and really bagong community to, super south of Calgary, tingin na rin tayo. At ang maganda dito fam, merong mga hill. Ayan. So yun yung parang paligid mo, parang may mga mountain side na view. Let's check it out. Okay fam, so we're here at Trico Homes naman, Willow Creek ang community dito fam. So again, front garage ang meron sila. Gusto ko sanang duplex para medyo may pagkakaiba yung nasa-show home natin. But then this is 2,100 square feet. At ang ganda niya so far. So 710 to. Pero with the basement, this is gonna be around 800. Yan. So coming from the entrance, dito, the stairs agad going up. Pero mamaya na tayo dyan. So on the right, closet. Oh, and look at that fam, meron talagang pang dogs dito. So ginawa nila ng for liguan ng mga dog. Hindi ko alam yung term fam, so comment down below kung ano yung term na liguan ng mga dog. But I assume this is coming from the double garage door. And then may pass-through sila na pantry dito. Okay. Ang ganda na ito. Ang ganda ng stairs niya. Nasa front. So, yung last namin na bet ni mommy is nasa gitnang stairs. Ito naman, nasa front. Maganda siya. Okay, so going straight to the right would be your powder room. So, ang ganda nung finish. May texture siya para siyang cloth. So, ang ganda. And to the left is your open space. Okay, so ang ganda dito. So coming from the kitchen, ayan, sizable cabinets. Hindi siya soft close. Bakit kaya ganon? Anyway, that's their decision. But granite countertop, super ganda. Very good size na countertop dito. Ang ganda nito oh. Hindi siya stainless fam. Parang siyang ceramic. Yeah. So ito din, meron ka rin parang coffee corner dito. And look at that space from left to right. So again, this is a 2,100 square footage na bahay. And the dining. So dito tayo fam, para mas maganda ang pagpan. Another pan. Yan. Okay. And then, itong bahay na to, mahilig siya sa may textured na wall. So comment down below din kung ano ang tawag dito sa ganito. Kasi sobrang ganda niyang tingnan. Ayan, hindi lang siya like plain wall. May design talaga siya, para na siyang painting. Yan, so before tayo pumunta dun sa living room, pasilip ko muna dito ang napakalaking windows nila. Yan. Okay, so this is 2,100 square footage na bahay. At nakikita ko na ang laned house na yon. So, pupunta din tayo doon mamaya. Let's check that. Interested ako dun sa price talaga ng laned houses kasi yun yung parang sweet spot talaga when it comes to pricing. So, again, ito 710 pero yung nakikita nyo ngayon fam, it's around 800. So, ito yung living room nila. So, you could again imagine, nagluluto ka doon, nagpe-prepare or nandun yung handa. So everyone in the family and the visitors are here gathered pwede silang kumuha doon. So, ang ganda. And then, more or less, dito yung TV. And that's it. Ganda ng finish. Another closer look. Sa gitna tayo, fam, para maganda yung pagpan. And there you go. That's the main floor. Baba naman tayo sa basement. So again, finished basement to. Ganda. Ganda ng pagka-finish. And there you go. Yan. So I think ginawa nila sa main dito, which is really, really nice. Merong maliit na living room. And then, it's either billiards to fam, which is yun talaga yung plan ko kung magkakaroon ako ng basement na finish. It's either billiards to, and then meron kang bar, kitchen, drinks, preparation area. And since may mga rooms dito na dalawa, meron siyang full bath. Yan. So, ang ganda ng finish. So, black and white. Yan. Ganda. Ganda. Ganda ng pagka-finish. And of course, you have your linen closet and the first room. So let's check out here. Or baka isa lang yung room dito, fam. Pero ang ganda ng room. Good size talaga siya na room. Ang ganda. Then yung walk-in closet. At ang laki ng windows dito. So there you go. Yan. So this is the first room. Yan, oh, the dream. May billiards table. And my TV. So, baka ito mechanical room to, fam, dito. Okay. Mechanical room, storage room siya. So, isang room lang pala. Nandito, fam. Okay. So, that's about it. Akyat naman tayo, fam. Sa mga bedrooms. Okay. So, again, ito yung magandang stairs. Ang ganda. Hindi siya yung isang diretso, dalawang diretso lang. Para kang pinaikot. So, you could imagine the view from here. Ganyan. With that fixture, light fixture. Pag-akyat na pag-akyat, fam. Very good size family room. Ayan. So, to the right, unahin muna natin dito. Yung full bath. Yan. Ito kakaiba. Ganda din. Iba yung design ng light fixture dito. There you go. So first bedroom. This is a common bedroom. Good size. Good size. So quick pan here. Ayan. So first, and then yung nasa kaliwa. Second, oh mas malaki. Laki na ito. Yeah, parang siyang size na ng masters. Laki. Okay. So again, this is 710. So, what do you expect? Malaki talaga. And your laundry room. Yeah, ito na yung gusto ni mommy. Yung nakadalawang ganito. Kasi madami ka pang malalagay dito, fam. Right? So, there you go. So, going and passing through the family room again. Which is in yung relaxation area. And we're heading to The very huge master's bedroom. Grabe yung windows. Ayaw magpatawad ng windows sa laki, fam. Yan, may ginagawa pa doon, pero this would be your view from the master's bedroom. And let's do a quick pan. Ayan. Okay. And let's go to the master's toilet. So his and hers. And a very good size bathtub, which is gustong-gusto ni Mommy yan. At ako naman, fam, ito naman ang gusto ko. Standy shower. Laki. Then the private toilet here. As well as your pass-through and walk-in closet. Yan. Ganda. Okay. So that's about it for this 710, 2100 square footage na bahay. Dito yan sa Willow Creek, south naman of Calgary. So north or south, magaganda yung bahay. So kahit nasaan ka talaga, pumunta dito sa Calgary ay magaganda yung bahay. So far okay na okay to. This is just one of their show homes here. May available din sila na duplex. Pero parang may kailangan na kaming puntahan ni Mommy. So I'll end the vlog here first. And again, this is a 710 base price siya na bahay. 2100 square footage na bahay. If yung develop ang basement, that's gonna cost around 800,000 Canadian. So there you go, fam. Another show home. We'll think about this one. Pero ang natitipuhan talaga namin ni Mommy so far ay yung may balcony the last time na pinakita namin sa Lewiston. So again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And hopefully nag-enjoy kayo sa ating quick show home na tour. And I'll see you on the next video. Hang loose.